boy Pedro here once more with another tech review. This is a very unique microphone. This is the SR USB mini microphone. Well, it's a condenser microphone as well. And right now I'm talking to you from it. I've been trying to record this video for quite some time, but I got so busy. But hey, finally I got a chance to do it. So let's just get right into it. Okay, so one of the first things that I took out of the box is this USB Type-C to USB cable, which I can use this cable to send the audio information to a mixer or a device that supports USB. So the second cable in the box, this is a Type-C to Type-C cable, which I just plug directly into my MacBook Pro and use Final Cut Pro as a mixer, so I can actually get the audio in post and sync it when I'm ready. And if you have a mixer, you can actually just plug it directly into the mixer. That's if the mixer supports Type-C connection. Okay, so this is the front part of the mic where you have a power indicator, and also that same power indicator can be used as a mute button. And then you have a volume rocker, so you can listen and hear how loud you're talking, or if you're not talking loud enough, you can just bring it down or just turn it up. So this is the mic stand that comes in the box as well. The weight is very nice, and this is the headphone input, and that's the Type-C output or input, would you say, for the power. So no battery required and you're all set. And this is the height of it. As you can see, it's very small, very sturdy. Hi, hello. Are you hearing me? Oh, my hair is dripping out to the side. Okay, are you hearing me? So this is the 7 Rams SR USB mini condenser microphone, which I'm talking to you right now. I can monitor the audio levels on the microphone or on the computer, but because microphone has a volume rocker, I can actually turn up the volume to what I want it to, and I'm hearing it from here. I don't know why I'm whispering, but I'm actually hearing it from here. So let me turn up my bass a bit. Hello, good day. Up. This probably sounds way too loud. Bring it down a bit. Bring it down a bit. I can see the levels on the computer as well. So I think this volume sounds very good for me, and based on what this is about, I must say, this sounds pretty good in my ear. Let me see if I can give you like a movie. On this day, it was the night before. Bring this down a little bit. It was the night before Christmas. I'm hearing up. I don't know if I'm going to be hearing it when I finish recording and then play back the audio. Oh well. It was the night. It was the night before Christmas. Everybody was asleep except the mice. I see you. Good day. It's a beautiful day. I love all this sounds. This sounds really good in my ears, but I don't know what the audio is like when I'm going to play back this. Okay, so if you want to start a little podcast type of vibes, this is like a perfect microphone for you based on the price. The price is about $79 or $80. I'm going to list the price somewhere on the screen, and I'm going to also put up the key features for this microphone as well somewhere on the screen. And I really like how it sounds in my ear, but I'm hearing the wind noise. I hear it in here, but I don't know if by the times it goes straight to the computer, I'm going to hear something extremely different. But this is a very nice microphone. I love how it sounds. Where's the term? Well, not the term. The word mini, and it is actually very small. You can just put everything in this little pouch, and you're good. Hello. And imagine if this room was actually good for acoustics. You won't hear any. You hear that? Listen. Yeah, you won't hear anything like that. But this microphone really sounds pretty good. Yeah, it sounds pretty good. Okay, guys, I guess that's it for me for this review on this wonderful microphone. I'll see you guys in another video. I don't know when, I don't know what I'll be talking about, but hey, I got to put out YouTube videos, right? And it's a bit it's very challenging for me to put out these type of YouTube videos, right? Because like shooting these type of videos alone, it's not that easy, but hey, might as well put it out, because like if I don't, nobody else is going to put it out for me. So bye. Let me just turn it back down and I'll see you. Okay.